Hello students, we are solving KVPY 2020 essay paper physics section and we are presently to the part 1. So we are looking at the 14th question of physics, which is question number 29 of the paper. So very simple straightforward question. It asks the ratio of gravitational force and electrostatic force between two electrons. So the gravitational force would be given by the universal gravitation constant, mass of electron, again mass of electron by r square. Okay, so two electrons separated by distance r would be exerting this much gravitational force on each other. Now the electric force between these electrons would be given by k, then E into E upon r square again. So we can clearly see that r square will get cancelled when we take the ratio, and therefore the distance was not mentioned in the question. Now when we take the ratio Fg by Fe, what do we get? We get Gm square by Ke square. Let's see how much this ratio will be. And one more thing, before we start doing the calculation, have a look at the options. The options are, this 24 remains same in all the four options. They are they pretty much differ in the order of magnitude of this term. Like we just have to calculate the powers of 10. All right, and since the options are so varied, they are so different from each other, even the approximate calculation will do the job for us. So let's do that. So G is approximately 6.67 and 10 raised to power minus 11. M square will be 9 into 10 raised to power minus 31 and square of this. Okay, divided by K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, and E square will become 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 square of this. Okay, so we have to find out that out of these four options which will be closest to this calculation. So let's first pay attention to the numbers which are different from 10 raised to power something. So that would be 6.67. Let me write it here. Okay, and then we will have 9 square, so that's 81. So I've taken care of this. Then in the denominator we will have a 9, so I've taken care of this. And then there would be a 1.6 square, so that's I think 2.56. Okay, everything else is power of 10. So let's now adjust the power of 10. So here we have minus 11, here we have minus 62. So this becomes minus 73. Let me write it here because I think I'll lose the track of powers. So minus 11 minus 62 becomes minus 73. Then this 9 here and this minus 38. So minus 38 and plus 9 will become minus 29. And since we have to divide, like this is in the denominator, this was in the numerator, so it will become plus 29. So this becomes what? This becomes 44, I guess, minus 44. So 10 raised to power minus 44. Okay, now we have to just check what is the order of this term. So let's do a rough calculation. This 9 gets cancelled with this, we get 9, and this 2.56 divided by this probably this is something like 2 point something into 9 into 10 raised to power minus 44. So we can clearly see that this number would be probably close to 20, maybe something more than 20. And since all the options have 24, I'm pretty sure that once we finish the calculation properly, we are going to get something which is close to 24, and the power that we are getting is 10 raised to power minus 44. So C option must be the correct one. So in this question, students who tried to calculate without noticing the options would have suffered. They would have lost some time. Students who paid attention to the options first, they would have gained in this question. So I hope you like the solution to this question, guys. I'll bring the solution to the next question in my next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.